Welcome to our channel. This staircase blends beauty with smart design, effortlessly complementing contemporary and classic interiors. Its adjustable structure adapts smoothly to different ceiling levels, while the upper section locks firmly into position. Every step transforms into hidden storage, shelving, shoe organization, or drawers, delivering both convenience and sophistication. Custom finishes like panels, mirrors, or natural textures allow full personalization, turning the staircase into a space-saving feature and a striking centerpiece for modern living. But that's not all. They also introduced the Giro Sola, a clever corner system that glides open smoothly, unveiling two sturdy layered shelves that neatly organize cookware out of sight. When storage adapts to your movement, every part of the kitchen flows more naturally and efficiently. Here's a smart concept inspired by Maxim Nikolaik, a Russian builder known for transforming bathroom layouts with discrete hidden access panels. These thoughtfully engineered doors allow quick entry to plumbing systems without damaging tiles, maintaining a clean and seamless finish. Beyond saving valuable space, they improve safety and elevate the overall look. They also create a clever way to hide essentials or clutter, bringing elegance, convenience, and practicality together in one refined bathroom solution. Struggling with a compact bathroom? Camilo Colli introduces a smart sliding panel with concealed storage that integrates seamlessly into your space, creating a refined spot for towels, paper rolls, cleaning items, and daily care essentials. This intelligent concept maintains order while enhancing modern aesthetics, proving that even the smallest bathrooms can feel functional, tidy, and effortlessly elegant. Not anymore. This smart concept from Mobile House turns the space under your stairs into a highly functional solution, featuring concealed drawers, storage units, and integrated hanging options. Everything stays organized, within reach, and perfectly matched to your interior design. No overlooked spaces, only clean, efficient storage designed to maximize every inch effortlessly. There when required, concealed when not, proving that the smartest designs stay quietly out of sight. This refined solution from Armor Coverings maintains a polished, contemporary look while keeping your space organized and naturally elegant. Upper storage no longer needs effort. This smart pull-down solution from Reva Shelf brings items closer with smooth, reliable movement and simple control. Supporting up to 26 pounds, it works perfectly for spices, medicine, or everyday essentials kept comfortably within reach. Next, discover concealed TV lift units, a smart alternative that removes the need for large walls or complex mounting systems. These modern cabinets discreetly hide your screen when idle, helping preserve a neat and minimalist atmosphere in your living area. With a simple touch, the television smoothly elevates into position, merging convenience with refined aesthetics. Perfect for contemporary interiors, this solution saves space while elevating the overall look of your home. It appears as a modern shelving unit, yet rotate it gently and a concealed seating space emerges behind. This innovative concept from Studio Michael Hilgers transitions smoothly between storage, comfort, and a warm reading corner. Compact, creative, and thoughtfully designed, it shows how intelligent furniture can merge elegance with outstanding everyday functionality. With this smart under-stair concept from New Modern Furniture, unused corners become highly functional storage. The refined layout converts the hidden area into a stylish wardrobe, featuring sections for coats, hats, and bags, along with integrated drawers for shoes, books, and daily essentials. Everything stays neatly arranged and easy to access. Subtle recessed shelving enhances the design while adding additional storage possibilities. Blending elegance with practicality, this solution upgrades your home with seamless organization and modern sophistication. Certain valuables call for a refined place to disappear. This sophisticated cabinet delivers exactly that. Featuring concealed compartments within its structure, including sections accessed by keycard, it combines privacy with modern elegance. An impressive design crafted by Deluxe Furniture TX. True innovation. The Puzzle Cabinet by CT Fine Furniture. On the surface, it appears minimal and refined, Yet the surprise comes from concealed rotating compartments that unlock using a magnetic trigger. The clever detail? The key is hidden within a golf ball containing a magnet. Creative, subtle, and expertly designed. Yvonne, take a look at this design that blends intelligence with elegance. This compact unit conceals a vanity workspace with seating and integrated storage, then smoothly unfolds into a complete desk prepared for productivity. Designed to maximize space, it merges style, practicality, and a hint of transformation into one refined solution. A well-designed kitchen can transform how you experience your home, and A-LED Kitchen pushes that idea even further. Their smart concepts feature sliding shelves that glide outward for fast and convenient access, eliminating messy searching. They also introduce rotating corner storage and a mobile pull-out shelf designed for everyday flexibility. The highlight? A hidden folding table that extends smoothly, instantly becoming a modern dining space. Innovation, elegance, and intelligent functionality combined seamlessly. A smart way to conceal your electrical panel. This stylish cover glides open effortlessly, maintaining a clean and organized look. The quiet sliding mechanism delivers smooth movement, while the refined finish enhances any interior. With a simple push or pull, everything disappears seamlessly. Looking to save space while adding fun to your children's room? Discover the Neo Sliding Wardrobe Bunk Bed by Sui, designed for smart and stylish organization. This modern setup pairs a super single bunk with a generous sliding wardrobe divided into 4 sections below. Need more room? The broad staircase transforms into practical storage drawers, keeping essentials tidy and accessible. A 35-centimeter built-in safety rail provides secure and comfortable sleep. Ideal for shared bedrooms or sleepovers, this design blends comfort, creativity, and efficiency into one inviting space kids will enjoy. Add additional functionality effortlessly. With a concept like La Montana Goose, raising the bed unlocks valuable space beneath. The lower section becomes an elegant vanity area filled with practical storage. A refined, intelligent approach that helps your room feel more efficient, organized, and visually appealing. Ever wished you had more storage flexibility? ESVO turns that idea into reality with a modular shelving system built for adaptability. From compact shelving to workstations and media units, the possibilities are extensive. Engineered for strength and reliability, it supports up to 100 kilograms while integrating smoothly into any interior. Whether creating a modern desk in walnut and black, a clean kitchen surface in stone ash, or an efficient storage setup for smaller homes, ESVO adjusts effortlessly to your preferences. Bring your ideas to life with this refined, functional solution. The Domino coffee table combines vintage inspiration with contemporary design, creating a striking centerpiece for any living space. Its retro character pairs beautifully with everyday practicality, providing a convenient surface for beverages, reading materials, or decorative accents during relaxed moments. The innovation continues here. This ultra-slim folding chair delivers impressive comfort while taking up very little space, and folds neatly away for effortless storage whenever it's not needed. Your essentials deserve smarter protection. Noe's Girio 9 elevates concealed storage with safes accessed through magnetic or classic keys. These refined multifunctional pieces not only protect valuables but also serve as stylish furniture, appearing as cabinets, vanity units, shoe organizers, or seating. Everything stays secure while your interior keeps its elegant, polished look. Protection blends effortlessly with modern design. Surprising what this compact chair can become. It smoothly converts into a practical ironing station ready for everyday use. Even better, a concealed drawer adds extra storage, combining smart functionality with inventive design. Smoothly converts from an elegant seat into a reliable stepladder. Built with a strong metal structure and supporting up to 150 kilograms, it blends modern style with practical, everyday usefulness. Created by Degrees of Freedom, this origami-inspired table features 10 precision CNC-cut wooden panels. It expands smoothly from a slim 3.8 centimeter stack into a 62.2 centimeter side table with a simple rotation of 2 sections. From the same designer, the centerfold table also channels origami aesthetics, with 3 legs folding together in a fluid motion, shifting from flat form into a compact, usable surface. Both designs showcase adaptability and craftsmanship, ideal for those who value elegance and practicality.